Hello, whoever is watching this, and today I'm going to show you how to make an add-on. Not like all those stupid add-ons that don't let you make invisible blocks. An actual good add-on maker called Crafty Craft. What? Thank you. Unsaved it. No. Then you can publish a world, create an add-on, create skin. Oh no, I don't want to create Fuchs. That is a very special add-on. In fact, I'm actually gonna add on to it. So this is an add-on I made. You can see I made all of this. Please do not pay attention to that. It is just no. Then you can make blocks, TNTs, items, recipes, functions, all these crazy things. Armor, weapons, guns, food. Let's make a piece of food. So first you just have to do exactly what it tells you to. So your ID will be like, what do we want to add into game? What about we add in oranges? Orange. That's literally its ID. And then that's what it will say. That's going to be how you get it. And then its name will also be orange. But one thing, if you're going to have two words, you would have to put I would have to go like this, since this actually isn't the ID, but you'd have to go like that and then type your whole word. Now skin, no pretzels, no. Then you have to find something that looks kind of like it look like donut. And then you can start making it. So I will get back to you guys in just a second when I've finished making everything. So see you in just. Okay, so now as you can see, I have my orange. Not the best orange, but I'm not going through too much. Then I can turn on things like foil, can always eat, effects, saturation, use duration, nutrition, and its recipe, if it even has a recipe. It does not have a recipe. In this case, its recipe would be some seeds. I will create the recipe later, but we have foil, always can eat. I'm gonna put can always eat. Effects. We will give you some, see here, where fatal poison, no. Battle, hunger, resistance. Because it's an orange. Duration 30. How long is a day? If it's counting in seconds, that means I'm gonna have to go 60, which would be 60 times 24, 1,440. There, done. And that's how long it'll last. So this will last you for a whole day. It's chance of getting it is 1. We're gonna put that at 0.5. Done. And then this amplifier, so yes, 1. Natural, we want it as good as we can. And then use duration, we'll just keep it like that. Now nutrition. Its nutrition is going to be very high. It's going to be 100. Fine. And it has, what if I were to turn off recipe? It has a recipe, but I'm doing that. So this is Minecraft, right? It makes no sense. Well then, orange dye next to an apple. And you have an orange. Perfect. So now you just click save and you have it. So you can also go like create your entities, biomes, armor, weapons, guns, blocks, TNT, items, recipe, and functions. So we're gonna go here and we are going to create our own item. And we can do whatever we want. We can just do whatever we want. Just play around with this and you'll get whatever you want. TNT, I can create that. Weapons, guns. Let's choose weapon. So first, what we want is to name it. We are going to name this let's see. We're going to make a mace. So, we do mace. Its name is mace. And its skin is going to be I don't honestly care. So I'm actually going to show you how I edit these. We're just going to do it in a little quick time, so let's do it quick. I'm very sorry, something happened, and now the photo is all I got from when I was recording, but basically you hit that little record button to record a sound, you say it, and you hit play. Also, I'd like to point out how good I got this. Look right there. Look. That is 0, 0, 12, 0. That means I landed it directly on the millisecond of 12. So just explore it, explore whatever you need to. Click save when you're done. It's like any other thing, except you don't have to really put an image for it at all. But that's basically what I say when I say study this picture.